This is the 24th video presentation for the Case Animal course. As you view this video, make notes of important information, pause, repeat, and resume the video whenever necessary. Infectious disease-causing agents, Lesson 8.1, Popular Pathogens. You just completed Activity 8.1.1, Who was infected first, where you simulated the spread of a contagious disease and traced the route the disease took through the population. Diseases have many causes and come in many forms. Some diseases are mild and animals recover easily on their own. Others are more serious and can lead to mortality. Producers strive to limit diseases and exposure to disease-causing agents in order to maintain the health of their animals and maximize profits. The 5 infectious disease-causing agents include bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and Prions. All are infectious. Some forms are contagious. It is important to remember there are also many beneficial bacteria, fungi, and protozoa necessary for life processes. Bacteria are classified as prokaryotes. Harmful bacteria cause disease by producing toxins or by destroying body tissues. There are 3 basic shapes of bacteria which will be discussed. Bacteria have historically been treated very effectively with antibiotics. In recent years, concern has developed about antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Bacteria with mutations can survive antibiotic treatments and continue to grow and reproduce. This causes concern in the health industry as research for new medications struggles to keep pace with bacterial mutations. Bacterial that are round or spherical in shape are called cocci. They can be singular, paired, in groups of 3 or 4, clustered, or in chains. Bacilli or rod-shaped bacteria can form chains and are referred to as streptobacilli. Spirillum are shaped like spirals, as the name suggests. Viruses are made of cell components, but do not have all characteristics of living cells. They do not have a nucleus, cytoplasm, organelles, or a cell membrane, and cannot carry out cellular functions. They do have nucleic acid and a protein coat. The nucleic acid is either DNA or RNA, but not both. Viruses can only replicate inside another cell while using the organelles of that cell. Viruses are so small they can attack and infect bacteria. Viruses that infect bacteria are called bacteriophage. Treatment of viruses is fairly limited, as they do not respond well to most antibiotics. Prevention in the form of vaccinations is the most successful approach to controlling viruses. Go to Cells Alive website and view the demonstration of how big is to view the size of a virus. Pause the video while you complete this task. Resume the video when you are ready. Why can't you see a virus on a slide under a microscope at school? Pause the video while you consider this question. Record your answer in your notes. Resume the video to check your answer. The magnification power of most microscopes is too weak to view a virus. Fungi are multicellular eukaryotic organisms with membrane-bound organelles. There are many types of fungi, including molds, yeasts, and mushrooms. Diseases caused by fungi range from skin infections such as ringworm and athlete's foot to fungal poisons such as aflatoxin, which can be found in moldy grains. Most fungal infections can be treated with pharmaceuticals. Protozoa are single-celled eukaryotic organisms. Protozoa can live in many environments. Some are free-living while others are parasitic. Diseases caused by protozoa are effectively controlled with pharmaceuticals. Prions are simpler than viruses. They are little more than abnormal clumps of protein that form in a cell. They are made of amino acids and have no nucleic acids. Prions eventually kill the cell and lead to a slow degeneration of the nervous system. There are no known treatments for prionic diseases such as BSE in cattle, scrapie in sheep, and chronic wasting disease in wildlife species. As a review, mark or highlight 3 key points in your notes that are important to remember from this presentation. List 2 ideas or concepts that relate to previous knowledge. List any questions you have about this topic. Discuss these questions with your instructor. Keep any notes you have from this presentation organized and available for use throughout the course. Through Activity 812, Rods, Rounds, and Spirals, you will identify and sketch bacteria, mold, and protozoa. This will help you understand how bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa cause infectious diseases. Your instructor will share specific instructions for Activity 812, Rods, Rounds, and Spirals.